Hello everybody, so today I want to be talking about the large data set. Okay, so the plan for this video is to explain to you why ALMath is not necessarily the best subject to take. Okay, so the negatives of ALMath. I'm not going to lie, ALMath is hard no matter what subject or example okay, that you take. So for example, for Excel, there's a lot more than there is for say a QA. And OCR, of course, and OCR MEI, if any of you choose to study OCR MEI. You can see on the board just out of shot. I was going to show you some of my top 5 things, but I'll explain them here and I'll show you them up there when the time is basically ready. So, we'll start off basically looking at the large data set. Now, this is not something to put you off. It might do, and if it does, that's totally fine. But the large data set is kind of, it essentially is 9, I think, off the top of my head for Excel. You've got 9 double pages of A4, okay, and you have to memorize that data. Now, I'm not saying go ahead and memorize it off by heart. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is, you need to spend a lot of time with that data set. And for example, you need to learn the means of that data set. You need to learn the standard deviations, you know what these are. You need to know the variance. You need to also apply them to common situations. Now, under AQA, you learn about cars, have fun. For Excel, for my example that I teach, you look at weather. So you're looking at weather in different parts of the world, so Jacksonville in the US, and Beijing, and Perth. I think that's all of them. Can't think of any more off the top of my head. But there are. But I think there's 3 or 4, and then there's like Camborne, Herne, Heathrow, Leeming, and Lucas. There's 5 in the UK that you have to learn about. And basically you need to know basically the geography, if you will. Like if you know where they are in the map, you can probably work out some of the questions. Like some of them might say, if the temperatures are hotter, then what place from a large data set would it suggest? That's something that I've seen for Excel. For AQA, it's about cars, so the model of cars. You might be asked what type of model, whether that model would be suitable. I don't know, I've not seen AQA too much, but I have seen more of Excel. I will not lie to you, Excel is harder than AQA, I won't lie. Looking at what the exam boards want in their mark schemes, it's bloody crazy. Yep, we always like AQA for being their weird way that they are. But when you explore the large data set a bit more in statistics, by the way, this is statistics if you're wondering. When you get into this, you'll find a lot of it is like you might look blankly, which is okay, but you also need to be aware that large data set is something that you need to learn and learn well. So for me, I would suggest that if it was me, I'd suggest maybe, I don't know, creating a table with all the places, finding the mean standard deviations for each month, because it's like May to October, I think, per place for Excel, off the top of my head. But you have to know about like the Great Storm and why it was taken from that particular place of the data set. Why is it that year? Because of that great storm that happened, of course, many years ago. But yeah, we're looking at that and explaining that as well, a lot in exam questions. You just need to practice the standard exam question, looking at a large data set. So, to ace a large data set, you need to know your mean standard deviations and work with that data set. You need to know the geography of where those are pretty damn well. Obviously Lucas in Scotland, Leeming, Camborne, Herne, all down south. Okay? Now, yeah, the large data set is not easy. That's one thing I did want to point out. Also, mechanics is not easy either. Feels really weird because I've literally jumped from pure to start and now I'm onto mechanics. If you're wondering why I've filmed pure, because I literally filmed a pure video a couple of hours ago. I won't tell you what it is because it's a surprise, but you'll see when that video finally comes out. There's plans to come after this one because I'm quite far ahead on filming at the minute. But this is very interesting. So, best of luck with your A-level mathematics and further maths, of course, if you're doing that. Massive best of luck. The start of the year is tough. It will not be easy. But if you feel like dropping it, I don't blame you. And don't forget, I'm with you here every step of the way. Thank you very much.